Alright, I'm making chicken francese this morning. Well, for lunch, it's going to be very good. You're using chicken breast that you slice. Some recipes call for pounding it, and some just call for taking that chicken breast and cutting it in 3 pieces. And that's what I've done. So it has a wonderful creamy sauce that goes over it and a touch of lemon. I think you're really going to enjoy it. So let's get started on Darlene's table. All right, we're going to start with butter and a little vegetable oil. You can use olive oil if you choose. I have already sliced up the chicken breast and salted and peppered them, and they're in this bag. In this bag, I have a mix of flour, cornstarch, and salt. It's been mixed well, so we'll go one time into that and then into the egg. That's what's different about this. You don't go flour, egg, flour. You go from flour to egg. That's it, one time each. So flour first and then egg. So we're going to brown it on both sides. While that's frying, we'll prepare 2 more pieces. About 2 to 3 minutes on each side. I have the oven heated at 200 degrees F while I am preparing all these chicken breasts so that we can keep it warm while we prepare the wonderful sauce. So move the butter and the oil around and let's just continue cooking these chicken breasts. Sliced thin, you can see that. I didn't have to pound them. So while that's cooking, we'll do the next 2. I have 8 portions here. This will go into the oven to keep warm while I prepare the cream sauce. The cream sauce is very good. I was really pleased with it. So garlic, more butter. Saute until it's fragrant, about a minute. I'm going to stir in the wine. Next, the chicken broth. All right, next I'll add the heavy cream. Get this mixed well. I'm going to reduce this by half while constantly stirring. I'll check occasionally for seasoning. Salt and pepper. Lemon juice. We're going to get this to a simmer so that it can start reducing. Okay, more salt and pepper. Mostly pepper. There we go, simmering and reducing. This is a wonderful sauce. You're really going to like it. Chicken francese. Sounds fancy, but really is pretty simple. It just means chicken cooked in a French style. Sometimes this recipe calls for the chicken to be pounded and flattened out, but this recipe did not. And I like the fact that the chicken was plump, which provided for a meatier bite, and covered with that rich cream sauce. Made it very special. I served it over a bed of rice and garnished with parsley. You really need to try this recipe, which can be found on my website, darlenestable.com. There you can find the printable recipe with all the ingredients and directions. Now on to the next recipe, so please hit the like button, subscribe, and the notification bell so you can keep up with what's going on right here on Darlene's Table.